Got my fishing rod. Hopefully get some smelts. Hopefully I catch the right tide for them. Woohoo! Seems to be good so far. Is starting to fill up my bag. Good day. So, hoping to get that full if I'm lucky. It's a nice morning. It's not cold. It's pure spring now. Pure spring weather. Usually bees haul away, which means the bees, as soon as you put the hook down, you get them right away. But it's very slow this morning, so I mightn't have got up here at the right time. But yeah, I'll show you how big the smelts are here. Could get bigger, but here they are. Fairly nice size. Oops. Hey. So, I'll continue on fishing and see how much I get, and probably do a video, continue on, of showing you how much I got in the end, right on. So far I got one bag of smelts, and one trout, right on. So far so good. Well, that looks good. Starting to come on. All ready for home. There's my little small trout. Good fry in the frying pan. So that's it. you enjoyed that little entertainment for today. Bye for now.